What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going to be walking around a 1968 Firebird. When I get done with this walk around video, I'm going to take it for a test drive. We'll go down the road. What I like to do in these videos, point out any kind of flaws that I can find, go over the whole entire car inside and out, and let you check it out. That way, if you're out of state or out of country, you know exactly what you're going to be picking up. We ship cars out every single day. We have a shipping company on our website you can call and get a quote. We also have financing options on there, so you can get financed in a classic. That's maplemotors.com. If you're new to the page, hit subscribe. We're going to start right up here in the front and check this car out. Like I said, it's a 1968 Firebird with a 400 in it. No AC on this one. Power steering. Aluminum radiator. It's been upgraded. I think it's drum brakes all the way around on this one. So there's no disc set up. And if I get real close on the bumper and stuff, you can see some of the pitting. It's all around the front bumper. It's probably original. So it's all faded. A few little scratches on that lower part there as well. Looking down the side of the car, I see a lot of paint chips. We're going to be getting close and out of the way. This car probably needs a paint job from what I can tell with all the chips. Front tires looked to be pretty good condition. Nice and skinny. All the chrome's in good shape around the windows. Somebody's replaced that. It looks nice. Not sure why it has 350 emblems. It's a 400. Down the side, you can see all the little chips. It's like door dings. It's in the perfect area too to get hit by the door. Top of the door handle showing a lot of signs of pitting. I'm gonna check the bottoms of the doors, looking for rust. It's real common. None up front there, but there is a rust spot back here. That's in the passenger door. Very low corner. Keep on heading back here and we'll check the top out. Tons of chips back here from that tire slinging rocks. So you can see it's been touched up. Big old chip. It's gonna need a paint job. Looks decent from back here. When you get real close, you see all them chips. I want to look real close at the top, because if I see any bubbles up underneath them, I'm going to point them out. A lot of times these vinyl tops here will hold moisture. One little speck right there. I don't know if y'all see it. It's very minor. Right there. Somebody siliconed a spot in the top there. The rest of it's looking pretty good so far. And then the jams looks good all the way up to, it could be rust, could be something they left under the top, but from when the bubbles pop in here, I'm gonna say it's rust. Two little dots there. We're gonna open the trunk here in a second and see if any water got down in there, because it will get trapped right in here, and we'll look up and see what it looks like from the inside. Get across the back. It does have its flaws. Most of it's pretty clean though across the trunk lid. It's in good shape. I went ahead and put the magnet tag on there. Back bumper chrome's all pitted. Another chip here in the back. Let's keep checking out the vinyl top. Doesn't look, looks like it got cut right down in there in the corner. Little spot here. fabric's coming up there. Fabric's coming up in there as well. Don't see any more rust though. It's gonna have some though. This is a 68 model car, so it's all metal. This side here's got some scratches, some chips. A little bubble in the paint there. Some chips in the edges of the doors. Pitting on the door handle. Mirrors look pretty good. There's a spot right there. Rust spot. The rest of the bottom of the door looks pretty good. It's just right up here in the front. All right, made our way all the way around the car here. Took me a second from all the chips. We'll go ahead and open the trunk. Well, where'd he put the keys in this thing? Let's see if we can find them. Down on the floor. All right. Opens up pretty good. Definitely needs weather stripping. Good thing is that the trunk is dry, and we had a downpour yesterday. It rained all day long. But yeah, the weather stripping needs to be replaced. Trunk lid's in good shape. Around the edges looks pretty clean. Like I said, we're gonna get up in here and look up. But it seems to be solid. In good shape there. So that means moisture hasn't been getting trapped in it, causing it to rust. It's solid. Let's see how easy she shuts. It's down. Go ahead and check this interior out now. Door panel's in good shape. Weather stripping's gone and needs to be replaced. It's hard. It should fall apart as soon as I'm start messing with it. At the bottom of your door here, check all that out. There's surface rust popping up on it though. Carpet's not in bad shape. The seat looks good. It does have a little crack here. Headliner's sagging in the back. Jump in and start it up. She's really cold right now. She hasn't been started since early this morning. Moved her over here and started working on cars, and it's April 14th and started snowing on us. I don't know what's going on. Tennessee weather. It's gonna make everybody sick. Like our tach's coming up. Oil pressure gauge is not hooked up. Don't look like our amp gauge is hooked up. We'll check the water and see if it is. They may have just used that for the water and got the bonus gauges. Radio's cutting on. Blower motor's not working in this one. Try our wipers. We'll check the motor on the wipers to see if they're plugged up. There's your mileage, 43,000. Of course, you can't stand behind that. No horn on this one. pressure. Needs to be hooked up. It's not hooked up. Motor sounds nice and quiet. It's like an Edelbrock carb setup. Couple little holes here in the hood. Does line up well. All right, guys, I'm gonna start up here in the front. We're gonna take a peek underneath the car, go to the passenger side, the rear, and the driver's side, and we'll end this video. If you need any more pictures, you can check them out on weMainbsite.com. Get some more undercarriage shots. Let's see what it looks like. Now we're going over here to the passenger side. Head on back to the rear. Over here to the driver's side. Gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button because we're getting ready to go for a test drive. I'm gonna stop this video and link them up. And we'll see how it goes down the road. Get some outside shots, some drive-bys, put you on the driver's seat, get up close and personal with every single car so that you get to know it before you buy it. I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit subscribe, share our videos if you can. I appreciate that. Check out MapleMotors.com for more information. Or jump on Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook. We're constantly on there posting stuff. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.